Hi everybody, we're here at a house in Pennsylvania. Go in here and check it out. I've got my new Thrunite light. This was given to me for review, so I'm honoring the people that gave it to me. I'm going to give an honest review of it while we're here. It's really durable, real nice. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can purchase it. Otherwise, let's go ahead and give it a try, see how this thing is. Alright. Oh, this is fun. Coming? Might need that light. Wow. We should just walk around down here because we can.
Okay. Yep, I got my boots too. Came prepared.
Dun, 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 dun. Didn't make it. Bekah, what's that floating shell right there? Hey, check the brightness.
It's a floating shell.
Is that a shell?
I don't know if it's real. It might be real.
Kick it. That looks like a little shell.
It's definitely a shell. The question is it plastic or real?
So is that like a little dino?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh. Cool.
You don't have gloves, do you?
No, I don't. I should have brought gloves. You can kick it with your boot, though.
Oops.
Don't die. Oh, is that what I think it is?
What is it? Oops.
It looks like from that one show with the little dinosaurs from the 80s. Oh, just zoom in on that toad. He's on the wood.
Ooh.
Yeah, when you get him, I can see him really good from here. Cool frog. I meant to say frog, not toad.
Whatever.
Okay, let me see again from this angle.
Oh. I'm trying to keep the style over. It looks kind of familiar. There we go. It looks like it would be from a show or something.
It is from a show. It's from that one show. I just can't think of what the show's called, but it's like these little baby dinosaurs in diapers and stuff.
Yeah, it's weird.
Wow. You just see like this film on the water.
Yeah, it's really gross. It feels muddy down there.
There's a shovel over here.
I should dig the mud up.
There's like these big oil tanks down here. Let's get a good look around down here. There's a little extra room back here. Wow.
Oh, froggy.
Yeah.
Froggy.
Yeah, this, last time I was here, this basement was flooded.
It's like weird stuff down there. I can't always see.
Huh?
Frog jumping?
Whoa. Oh man.
What?
Whenever you get over here, I gotta check something out.
Okay. It's very weird walking in the water. It makes it kind of creepy.
Yeah, just don't drop the camera.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So check this out.
Yeah.
You see that up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna point the camera up there and see if we can see anything. Like if there's something still in it.
Like birds and eggs and stuff.
Oh man.
The light is in the way.
Yeah, the light's in the way.
Watch that playing.
No, I can still check it out here. Hold this.
Oh, with your phone?
Yeah, just point the light up there. Okay. This will have to add in the video. Oh man, it didn't make it. It didn't make it.
Oh no.
Huh.
Is there something out there?
Something.
It did something?
You know, I think it's just feathers.
Probably.
Alright. Let's work our way upstairs, what do you say?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Don't think anyone's up here. This is the only way in.
Yeah.
Oh, there's water. Oh, wrecked.
Look, that one step's a little bit
Look how
dicey.
deep that water is.
Alright. You gonna be able to make it up here? You may take the camera.
Maybe.
Let me
No,
take it.
might be okay.
Just be careful, this one of these steps is a little bit weak.
Oh, that's scary. Here, take the camera actually. I can still step on it though, right?
Yeah, just ease on it, on the edges,
On the edges?
Yeah, it's more stable on the edges. Okay, here you go. Sorry for the camera work, everybody.
Is your little headlamp on?
Yes. In fact, you can sweep around a little bit if you like, and then we can show everybody just how good the light is.
Okay.
Feels nice being in a big house again, doesn't it?
It's been a while.
Yeah.
Just been too busy lately.
Yeah. Yeah, well. Oh, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant. Hey, it's got a date on it. Look at 1988.
Oh,
Ah.
that's
Wow.
cool.
Let's see if there's anything in these cabinets. Nope, kind of empty. See, like, this is a nice banister.
Yeah, it is.
I like how the paint's peeling off there.
Looks like there's
Well,
nothing up
there's
there.
not much architecture left because
Yeah, not really.
the place has been gutted. There's some tile here from back in the day. Yeah, the place has been pretty well stripped, you know?
Maybe a bit of carpet
Still
over
got the old
here.
heater here.
And then I guess this just goes around.
Looks like this carpet here is like Berber. It's relatively modern. Did you see the mouse trap?
Uh-oh. It's a big mouse trap.
Yeah, it's like a rat trap.
Yeah.
See the punching bags?
Mhm. Is that like kind of everything already?
Oh, okay. Do you want to see how well this light works?
Yeah.
Alright, everybody, the light's going off. Okay, so you can see I'm turn this way. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up. Here, let's point it towards that wall there, over here. How's it look? So let's look at the ceiling.
I mean, obviously, I don't think you'd want to use this for filming. Just
No, not for
personally,
filming.
If you're going
This
somewhere.
is this is more designed for me just walking around, and my review is that just me walking around and being able to see where I'm going, everything, it's perfect, it's fine, and I'll keep using this. This is a great light. It's way better than the other headlamps I had. It's comfortable, bright. It only takes one AA, which is great. Very nice. So, yeah. Anyways, I'll leave a description in a link in the description below.
Description in the link.
Yeah. Here, before you walk upstairs, I'm gonna get up there real fast so you don't see my butt going up the whole time.
Too late.
Okay.
These are very dirty stairs. The stairs actually remind me of a dream I had.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, it keeps going up.
Yeah. Well, let's look at some of this hardware. There's like an old door over here. This is a nice old door. I know you could look out the window, but I turn off the light so you're not so obvious. That's nice. Wow, that's a nice view out there.
Yep.
This old thing, I like these old.
It's right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish there was more stuff in here.
Yeah. Yeah, the heater's probably still good. This looks like a really old door. Look, it's still got like this little... Yeah, that's an old door. Oh, it's got the other side is that old white handle. You can see it leaning against the thing.
Nope.
Oh, let's see if there's anything upstairs. There's this thing right here, Becca. I don't know what it is. Do you want to get close in on it?
Not really.
Do you think it's like old petrified poo?
It looks like moldy,
Moldy poo?
petrified poo.
Let's see
Like
what's
it
up
was
here.
moldy first and then it got petrified.
There's a curtain up here.
A curtain. Oh, how exciting.
There. I'm gonna get out of your way.
Well,
There's just really not much room to walk around up there.
the lone curtain. Oh.
Uh,
Are you gonna say bye?
oh. Bye.
Are you gonna say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching. Bye.